Let's get you straight over to weather this morning. We've got some storms we need to be on the lookout for. Melissa detailing it all for us this morning.
And those storms will push in this afternoon, Christy. And this is the same storm system that unfortunately has likely produced several fatalities from violent tornadoes overnight and yesterday evening to our west. But this is going to be a line of storms for us. The extent of the severity not quite as high as it was west of us, but nonetheless, we could see a few strong to severe storms in North Georgia later today. You notice that line of storms right now is still northwest of our state, passing through the Nashville area, but we do have tornado watches all the way up to the state line. So the timing of this for us will hold off until we get into the afternoon. But we got now a level 2 out of 5 threat of severe weather for our western counties. And then for Atlanta and Point Cease, we've got a level 1 out of 5 threat of severe weather. I really think damaging winds will be the primary severe weather player, but we also have that threat of an isolated tornado. And then everybody's going to get heavy rain and lightning out of this. We'll pick up about an inch of rain in total. Now, for many of you, you're waking up with a picture like this. It's foggy in downtown Athens. You're thinking, how can we get severe weather? That is the wedge from yesterday, this stubborn wedge that has yet to fully erode. Still some dense fog, Atlanta, Canton, and points east of town. But that's going to be lifting out of here. And by lunchtime, as that line of storms starts to make its way in, it's going to be mild and breezy outside, setting the stage for that potential for maybe an isolated severe storm. So the next couple of hours, we're going to see temperatures climbing. There will be some hit and miss showers. That fog will be lifting by lunchtime. The storms are starting to enter the northwestern corner of the state. Look at this. We're up to 70 in Atlanta. Yeah, a lot warmer. Now for 2 to 5 p.m., those storms will be tracking through the heart of the metro. Again, damaging winds, that isolated spin-up potential along the leading edge of that line of storms. And then for those of you that are closer to Eatonton, Covington, that line of storms will move in between 5 and 7 o'clock this evening. And after that initial leading edge, you'll still have some rain lingering behind it with a big temperature drop off ahead. So just kind of recapping the forecast for today. Still some patchy fog first thing this morning. It's going to be warming. We'll have some spotty showers. Temperatures climbing through the 60s. By lunchtime, those storms enter the northwestern corner of the state, and then for the metro area between 2 and 5 p.m. we'll track those storms into town. There's a cool down coming behind it. We'll talk about that and break down the timing a little bit more zone by zone coming up. Christy?